Alright, this video is just gonna be me photo card hunting and then talking about my life and complaining about things and like, yeah. So let's do it. I don't remember which company, I don't know which company this box is from. Like it's either Makestar or Music and Drama or something like that. So I bought 6 albums from like every company, and oh my freaking god, they still keep going. There was one for Interpark, there was one for Music Korea, there's one for Soundwave, there's like another one for Makestar. So the my bad. Let me just keep going. So I did not do Interpark. I did not do Music Korea. I might not do Soundwave either because like I'm like running out of fucking money. There's just like too much. Oh, the Makestar one. I think it's Makestar. Makestar had the offline fan sign. I bought albums for that just to try to get in, but like universe, I'm telling the universe now. The universe already got my back. But yeah. So I bought more albums. Also, it's either so today 2 packages came. 2 packages. One set of 6 and the other is also a set of 6. So I don't know which company. It's either Makestar or the Music and Drama one. Yeah, like, bruh, like, I'm just addicted to photo cards. Honestly, at this point, I'm like, I love photo cards. Love me some photo cards. It doesn't say what company. Literally all their like pre-order photo cards look the same exact thing on the back. And here we have the other members. Oh my goodness. Okay. The back, they all look the same, so yeah. That was Seihan. This is Kisok. The cutie. Honestly, he takes the best selfies, and I think everyone knows that. Mingyu. So cute. It's so weird that he's older than Jonghyun, because like Jonghyun calls him Hyung, and I'm just like, I get so confused. I love his hair tied up. It's so cute. But like, he won't tie up his hair for any of the like broadcast shows or anything like that. Alrighty. Yeah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Jonghyun has his hair tied. Literally, let's go on Show Champion. Oh my god, Show Champion's on right now. I turned on the TV to watch Show Champion, and then I was like, I saw the like little thing for the weekly idol thing that they're on with Just Be. It's like right after the Show Champion, I think. Let's go, Giso. Okay, I looked at the box. This is from the Music and Drama one. Lol. Alright, let's do this. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. It's always so noisy. I'm just gonna take it all out and leave it there for now. Oh. I think that's it, right? Yes, ma'am. Alright, let's see who I got. Let me do it on this side, actually. Okay, so I got Jae-chan's postcard, Jonghyun photo card. I already got that one actually. Minkyu's little photo slip. I actually have all of these already. Why do they put the photo cards like this? Like it dents them. But anyways, yeah, I already have these ones. Awesome. Oh my god, did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, is this like the same thing? Okay, Jonghyun's film. Excuse me, ma'am, please. Please, I did not. I'm gonna cry. Like, when you buy like so many albums, you expect like different ones. But like, damn, okay, these are different. I don't have any of these two. I already have Jonghyun's ID card. And then this is the same thing. Nice. But he has a dent. It's because they put the freaking photo cards together. This one has, Jae-chan has a dent too. The back's all the same. Anyways, but also I've been like really tired because I like for some reason can't sleep. I already have that photo card. I already have this one. Ah! I don't have this one. Cute. I love his hair tied up. I like find it so darn cute. See, if they put it in different pages, there wouldn't be any like dents. Look at how beautiful this is. It's like so clean, not scratched at all. Kisok. Finally. I already have him. His handwriting's so cute. Why does everything he do so cute? Like, please. I already got this one. I think I already have two of these ones actually. Anything else? I already have that one. I already have Sehun's too. Let's see. What else is there to talk about? Bro, why is this picture so blurry? Another one. She's not as clean. This picture is so blurry though. I don't have that one. I don't have this one. Ma'am, please. I already have this Mingyu one. I don't have this Kyunghyun one. I feel so tired. This one's pretty clean. I think that's it, right? This is going a lot faster. Not another one. Not another one. Oh my gosh. It's like certain companies have like the same batch of photo cards they insert in or something like that. Like, that's what it feels like. Please. Please. Oh. Oh, I thought there was a scratch. Just, yeah. Wow, this was pretty bad for me because I already have pulled out 6. We'll see in my makestar batch. This is the other set of 6 albums that I got. What? They folded the poster? No wonder why it's such a weird box. Why would they do this? Anyways. Oh, I got the. Oh my god. So heavy. Here for the photo cards. They're the hologram one. Ah. Oh, it says makestar here. Well, what is this one again? The music and drama one? They don't have anything on the bottom. But most of the time it looks like this. I love holographic looking things. They're hella bent though. Like they're rounded. Like a scoop. Thank you. I love how they're in like sleeves. The back's all the same. Kyungyoon. Hey. Kisok. Jaejan. Chungyo. So pretty. And then last Seihyun. I love how all the the new members are like really growing on me. They're so cute. Like they're so adorable. Top 5. Hey. Oof, they're so pretty. Dreamcatcher. Not gonna lie, didn't know they were still alive. Chinky. Ugh. If you don't know, my ultimate bias is Onu from Shiny. LOL. I don't collect any of his photo cards or things like that. Just because I feel like he's really big enough, you know, that he doesn't really need me. Yeah. My man can support himself without needing me, you know? These kids, however, I gotta feed my children. But yeah, and then my second ultimate bias is SF9 Chani. Yeah, so baby. I miss him so much. Alright, let's see who's in this first album. Ooh. Ooh. Well, why does he look like a fish? Ma'am, please. Please. And then another Mingyu one. Oh, they're just all right here. Ma'am, please. And I've already got all of this one. Oh my god. He's unexpectedly so cute. He looks like a baby in this one right here. Ma'am, please. Next. Oh, I already got this one, but I don't have the postcard yet. Yay, postcard. I think that's it. I don't remember if I have this one. I think I do. And I already have this one and this one too. Nice. Let's see. The last one from the Fascinated version. It's different. And then another Kiso. How cute. He looks so baby. The dents really got me fucked up. Bro, what the? What? Not another Kiso. But like, bruh, like, how many do I need of Mingyu? Like, literally, what? Ma'am. Anyways, to the Fascinate version. Oh, I got this one already too. Oh, I already got this one. This one's new. There's a big old line scratch looking thing. Like, I'm not gonna really complain because, like, I literally can't be bothered. Like, anyways. Another one. I already got these. Why did I collect them all already and I didn't even notice? Probably, right? Like, man, please. Legit, like, literally the same pool again. I'll be right back. Let me sleeve all these photo cards and then I'll show you everything. I don't know who this man is, but he gonna do it. Rest in peace. This is my album pool. Very horrific. I'm missing Sehyun's ID and then two of Mingyu's photo cards for, I think, Fascinated version. I think the top is Fascinated and then the bottom's Fascinate. So I'm missing two Mingyus up here and then two Kisok down here, and then I'm missing one of Sehyun's, one of Jae-chan's, and then I'm missing Sehyun's ID. And like, look how many IDs I got of Mingyu. Like, man, please. I might buy another set of 6 albums from Soundwave. I might as well. The last, like, amount of money I have left in my bank. Yep, that's it. We still have more albums coming, so hopefully I get to complete the whole thing. So I just need two more, these two, and then one more. So like 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. Just need 7 more photo cards. And I bought 12 albums, so she better work.